I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and share with you a product review. So this company contacted me about a couple of weeks ago and wanted me to show you guys how to do this product step by step. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and then show you what they gave me. So I have the package right here. So the first thing I see is the actual Lash Lift Kit, and the brand is Stacy Lash. Hoping you guys can see that. I'll show you guys. So here is all the things that it comes with, and it says it comes with 1 bottle of perming solution, number 1. Number 2 is a fixing solution. Number 3 is a nourishing solution. Number 4 is a cleansing water. And then you have lash perm glue, lift combo, silicone lift pads, micro brushes, under eye patches, lash lifting tool, which is a wand, and mascara wands. So this is all that comes in the kit. And I'm excited. You get, let's see, so the lifting pads, you get 4 different sizes: small, medium, medium 1, 2, and large, 5 sizes. So pretty. All your pads right here that you put on here. So you get 3 of these, which are the lifting tools. So you have all the eye pads. Then you get tons of spoolies, and then the cleanser, micro brushes, the lifting magic wand. Let's see, like so. It sent me Lash Shampoo. And it says Stacy Lash Lash Shampoo, no irritating burning, foam lash cleanser and eye makeup remover for extension, service, and aftercare. So I'm excited to try this as well. So in the Lash Shampoo, you get an actual big pump of the shampoo, and then you get a little brush that you cleanse your eyelashes with. And it's good for when you're doing your eyelash lift or when you're doing extensions, which I will be doing a video of that pretty soon. So let's get started. My face halo, just to get rid of the mascara, and then I'm gonna do the shampoo. It on here. Oh, okay. And then it says just so that was amazing. So step 1, it says start the procedure on clean eyelashes and skin. Cleanse the eyes and natural lashes to remove any traces of makeup. You can use the Stacy Lash foam cleanser, which is what we did. And I loved it, by the way. I do recommend it if you are gonna do something like this or even get your eyelash extended. Okay, so you're gonna need to get one of these little packs right here. Okay, so let's determine and see what size lift pads I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna use a medium too, just because I want my eyelashes to come out and up. And I think my lashes are long enough to do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the lash perm glue, and you're gonna put it on here. Don't forget to do the tips, the ends, the top and the bottom, just because that's what's gonna be holding it down. And then you're gonna let it dry just for a few seconds and let it get tacky. I'm not sure about these pads. So you're gonna let it get tacky, and then you're going to, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on each side just to keep it from popping up. I'm gonna apply that same glue, which is this one, on top of the lift pad. You're gonna get your lash perm glue and you're gonna put it on here. Just a little layer, you know, just so your lashes will stick on there, like so. And you're gonna get this right here. And you're gonna just comb your lashes up. Let's see. And then it says, separate the lashes on the lift pad using the comb end of the lift brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just separate them. Making sure they're Next step is, once you fix the lashes in place, apply the perming solution from bottle 1 in your kit to the lashes on the lift pad. You can use the micro brushes included kit for this process. Wait for the solution to act 8 to 12 minutes. Okay, so you're gonna get this right here, which is the lash perm. You're gonna stick this in here, grab a little bit, and you're gonna go ahead and just coat your lashes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my clock for 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so it's been about 4 minutes now, and I'm gonna go ahead, it says to remove the perming solution from the eye. So I'm just going to clean that up. And you're gonna do is apply the fixing solution from bottle 2 and wait 8 to 12 minutes. With this one, which is number 2, which is lash fixing, I'm gonna do the same thing and just dip the brush in there, get a little bit of product, and then just and then you're gonna let that set for 8 minutes. But I'm gonna do 4 just because my lashes are so short and so thin, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been 4 minutes, and let's see, or remove, so let's cleanse, let's take this stuff off. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this fixing lotion. And then now it says remove the silicone curler. This. And just slowly pull up. Okay. So now you're gonna get this lash filler, which is what it's called. And you're going to go ahead and put that all over your lashes. You're just gonna dip that in there. You're just gonna put this all on your lashes. So it says to wait 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like 2 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so 5 minutes is up, and I'm not sure, but can you seriously see that? Like these are, I mean, I put some oil, the nourishing oil. And this is, so now it says, so I applied the bottle 3, allowed it to sit for 5 minutes. And this part is really important just because your lashes have just been through like shock, you know, they've been like permed and treated, and they're just very like brittle right now. So you want to leave that on for at least 5 minutes just so it can absorb all the oils and get all the nutrients back in the lash. Okay, so after that, step 9 is going to be washing the lashes using the cleanser water in order to clean off any residue from perm solution. So all the sticky glue and perm solution all you're gonna do is use this cleansing water, which is step 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip that in there and put that all over my lashes. Just gonna grab one of these spoolie mascara brushes that it came with, which is this one here, and I'm just going to brush and separate. Okay, I think I'm gonna put a little bit more oil just because I want them to be very saturated, and I don't want them to dry out and get all. So I just put a little bit more oil, and I'm just gonna get my spoolie brush and just kind of brush them up. Stacy Lash. Look at that. And that's with like no mascara or anything. Okay guys, so let's bring you in a little bit closer, and I just wanted to share with you, and I'm gonna put a before and after picture, but I just wanted to zoom in and show you guys. That's crazy. Like, I love it. So for this kit, I'm so excited. Stacy, I'm in love with this product. I mean, it just, you see exactly what it did. And they did say if you, your eyelashes cannot come in contact with water for at least 24 hours and no makeup, it will lessen the effectiveness of the eyelash lift that you just did to your eyelashes. So for sure, I am a fan of Stacy Lash Lift Kit, and definitely I'm gonna link them in the description box below where you can pick them up at. And I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to try out some more of her products. I looked on her site and I'm excited to do or try the eyelash extensions. Comment down below, let me know if you'd like me to do a in-home eyelash extension tutorial for you guys. I'm excited to do that. But yeah, I'm so excited, and definitely you're gonna need the Lash Shampoo, because without this, you definitely won't be able to get the results that I got without cleaning them and getting all the oils and makeup off from your eyes. But that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Questions, just put them down in the comments down below and I'll definitely answer them as best as I can. If not, I'll contact the company and ask them. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope everyone's doing great, has a great Halloween, and thanks for watching. Until next time.